Telecommunications in Azerbaijan provides information about television, radio, fixed and mobile telephones, and the Internet in Azerbaijan. The Azerbaijan economy has been markedly stronger in recent years and, not surprisingly, the country has been making progress in developing ICT sector. Nonetheless, it still faces problems. These include poor infrastructure and an immature telecom regulatory regime. The Ministry of Communications and Information Technologies of Azerbaijan, as well as being an operator through its role in Telecom, is both a policymaker and regulator. Telephones. Main lines in use, 1,820,000. Country comparison to the world, 64 telephones. Mobile cellular, 11 million. Country comparison to the world, 75 telephone system. Azerbaijan's telephone system is a combination of old Soviet-era technology used by Azerbaijani citizens and small to medium-sized commercial establishments, and modern cellular telephones used by an increasing middle class, large commercial ventures, international companies, and most government officials. The average citizen waits on a 200,000 person list for telephone service. Internet and email service are available in all major cities and some remote towns. General assessment: inadequate, requires considerable expansion and modernization. Teledensity of 15 main lines per 100 persons is low. Mobile cellular penetration is increasing and is currently about 50 telephones per 100 persons. Domestic. Local, the majority of telephones are in Baku or other industrial centers. About 700 villages still do not have public telephone service. Intercity, all long-distance service must use Airtel's lines. Satellite service connects Baku to a modern switch in its separated enclave of Nakhchivan Autonomous Republic. International. The old Soviet system of cable and microwave is still serviceable. Satellite service between Baku and Turkey provides access to 200 countries. Additional satellite providers supply services between Baku and specific countries. Azerbaijan is a signature of the Trans-Asia-Europe fiber optic line. The lines are not laid but a Turkish satellite on a microwave link between Azerbaijan and Iran could provide Azerbaijan worldwide access. Mobile phone. As of June 2014, Azerbaijan has 11.0 million subscribers in total, and a 107% penetration rate. There are three major mobile phone operators currently in Azerbaijan: Azercell, Baxel, and Azerfon. Azercell, Baxel, and Azerfon offer 2G, 3G and 4G services. All three networks are widely modern and reliable, with shops located in major towns and cities where one can purchase a SIM card and get assistance if needed. Most unlocked mobile phones are able to be used on roaming, however network charges apply. Azercell, Baxel and Azerfon are often recommended to tourists due to the variety of tariffs available and the help available in a variety of languages. Other mobile phone operators include Telecom, Azuratel, Caspian Telecom and CatelEurasiaCom. As of June 2014, approximately 95% of all main lines are digitized and provide excellent quality services for the region. The remaining 5% is in modernization process. International system. Azerbaijan is connected to the Trans-Asia-Europe fiber optic cable, providing international connectivity to the rest of the world. Additionally, the old Soviet system by microwave radio relay and landline connections to other countries of the Commonwealth of Independent States is still available, and by satellite earth stations. The main backbones of Azerbaijani networks are made by E3 or SDM1 lines via microwave units across whole country, with many passive retranslations. Radio. As of 2014, Azerbaijan has 9 AM stations, 17 FM stations, and 1 shortwave station. Additionally, there are approximately 4,350,000 radios in existence. Primary network provider is the Ministry of Communications and Information Technologies of Azerbaijan. According to MCIT, the FM radio penetration rate is 97% according to 2014 data. Radio broadcast stations: 26 Radio Respublika FM 105.0 MHz, Victimai FM FM 90 MHz, Naksivan Devlet Radiosu FM 103 MHz, Naksivan and SESI FM 103 MHz, ARAZ FM FM 103.3 MHz, Antenna FM FM 101 MHz, ANSCHM FM 102 MHz, Avtu FM FM 107.7 MHz, Azerbaijan FM FM 106 MHz, Birch FM FM 100.5 MHz, Kepas FM FM 90.3 MHz, Lida FM FM 107 MHz, Media FM FM 105.5 MHz, Space FM FM 104 MHz, Ziza FM FM 103 MHz. Radios 175,000. Television. Azerbaijan has a total of 47 television channels, of which 4 are public television channels and 43 are private television channels, of which 12 are national television channels and 31 regional television channels. According to the Ministry of Communications and Information Technologies of Azerbaijan, the television penetration rate is 99% according to 2014 data. The penetration rate of cable television in Azerbaijan totaled 28.1% of households in 2013. From a study by the State Statistical Committee of the Azerbaijan Republic, almost 39% of the cable television subscriber base is concentrated in major cities. The penetration rate is 59.1% in the city of Baku. Television broadcast stations: 43. Televisions: 170,000. Internet service providers: 1529. Country code: AZE. Internet TLD. Arizona. Internet hosts: 46,856. Country comparison to the world: 98 Internet users, 200,000. Country comparison to the world: 70 Internet penetration, 31.26%.